2016 Ford Taurus driver's side light bulb replacement. Very easy on this one. First thing you do, there's this little rubber boot with a zip tie holding it on right there. So you don't have to take the air cleaner out or do anything. Just reach in there, pull the rubber boot off, and that exposes the light bulb. Turn the light bulb to the left, it pulls right out of there. There's this little, you can see here, this little nub that sticks on there. There's a clip, like a fork looking clip, that grabs onto that. Pry it back a little bit, the bulb pulls right off. There's a little blue clip on there too. You don't have to mess with the blue clip at all, just leave it alone. And once you get that off, just push the new one in, put it back in, twist it in, put your boot on, and we're all done. This is the bulbs I'm using right here, and that's it. The whole job took about 2 minutes.